The front pedestrian impact sensors, left and right, on the 2007 XK, the easy way to change them. This procedure should take no longer than 30 minutes, even if you're very slow and don't know what you're doing. First, remove the radiator cover, which has 15 securing screws around it, plastic. These are the screws, little Phillips. Undo them and pull them out. There are 15 of those, and the cover just literally lifts out and you put it to one side. This is the original blue sensor with 2 bolts on the driver's side of the car. This is the passenger side sensor, the original blue one. Okay, use an 8mm socket with a short extension and undo the 2 nuts or bolts. They only need loosening off slightly, and then you can undo it with your fingers. Take the electric plug out of the top of the sensor first, and then with one hand just pull the sensor out. This is the original sensor. This is the original sensor, the blue one, and this is the new modified sensor that came out in 2010. The original has 2 bolts and the modified version has 1 bolt. They both have the positioning lug on the back, and it lines up with 1 hole. The sensor will be pointing sideways instead of upwards, which makes no difference. I would suggest when you refit the new sensors, insert the plug first of all. So therefore, if it happens to slip out of your hand, the plug holds it up and it doesn't fall down into the under tray, which means you would have to then take the under tray off. That's a plug-in inserted. That goes in that hole. And then the bolt goes in. There we are. That is the driver's side fitted. That is the clip to undo the plug. You press that in, the plug falls out. These sensors can be bought from Jaguar for £107 plus VAT each. I would suggest you put the plug on first, so that you don't, if you tend to slip and lose it, then it means you've got to take the bottom cover off, or you've got a bit of a hassle trying to retrieve the sensor. So you put the plug on first, put it back in to the hole, which is there. Then you put the bolt in. Tighten it up finger tight, and then carry on with the socket. That's both sensors fitted. That's the left one fitted, and that's the right one fitted. The last job is just to put the cover back on, which is a simple case of working it down there, like so. Put all the clips in, press them down, 15 altogether. That's it, job done, finished. There we are, started the car and the pedestrian warning lights have gone off. The boot's on, the door's open and the bonnet's open. That's job finished, completed in less than half an hour.